Rushal, I just want to, start with a big thank you for, being giving this 10 minutes and getting on this call. So thank you so much.
Actually, I should be thankful for that much of great treatment.
Great. I wanted to know your story basically.
Yeah,
What was happening? How did you come across Traya? What happened
yeah,
during the treatment? So, that are my
yeah,
two objectives of this call. We'll start with feedback. If there's any
yeah.
feedback that you have for us.
Like it was a great experience. Like at from the start, it was like 6 months. My sixth kid is going on right now. So it has been 6 months, and there was like Ritu was always there with that my hair coach was always there with me, and she was like always guiding me to what should be done, what should not be done, and what should be eat. Like eating is the main thing in our process. Like so that is a great thing, and like I am like gym buddy, so I do a workout regularly
Oh,
and
wonderful.
water intake about that. So there was no issue of stress or anything. But that is yeah. So my hair fall is basically because of mostly because of genetics reason. Like my father had a hair fall, so like so it will be genetically come into my and it is like hair fall started. It's like if I say it is like last November, it is like 1 year from where hair fall was started. So I've seen hair fall in some basis like it is like 6 months. I started trial from April around. So till then I was using like oils or something like it will be like cure coconut oil or something. It will stop like, but it was not stopping at all. And hair fall is increasing. Like we can see the patches that we can see it is visible. That is like hair are falling and we can't do anything to it. So like I was surfing one day, like I was surfing. So it is like work from home right now. So no one goes anywhere. So it is like I was surfing through internet, basically Instagram, and I get to know about the Traya. So I think about it is like it is just a product. Let's check it out, like on YouTube. So I go to YouTube. I watch some videos. Like there was some people's feedback was there. I was like it was like Ayurvedic product, so no side effects on it. So I think give a one shot to it. Like maximum क्या होगा? Output नहीं आएगा ना? इससे ज़्यादा क्या होगा? हाँ. So like give a just try. So I registered on go to the website. I check the products and I registered on. Then I get a call from your team. So you're like the ma'am was get to know about my daily routines and all things I used to do. And then she said like just let it try. Let it try this. It is like genetic mostly. Purpose. The hair fall is because of genetic purpose. So let it try. Let us have vitamins that we have. Hair tatwa it was there. So they like she is saying like we will use it. We will try this and let's see what is like results will be. And we have to like stick to the diets like should remove wheat part, should we put lactose part from your diet, like milk should be avoided and that
Right.
thing should be avoided, which is required to get the results. So at that time, I have like dandruff problem is much more at that time. So I get my kit, I ordered it. Then within 2 or 3 days, I get my first kit. So I like then I get a call from Ritu ma'am. Like she's explained me what is the need to be done and what these tablets are taken at this time. This minoxidil use should be at morning once and evening once. And I tried that. Then first off there was shampoo. She suggested that you should use this shampoo. Basically first we need to remove the dandruff on the
Dandruff.
part.
Right.
Then there will be hair fall will be reduced and then regrowth will be appear. So
Correct.
I started with the shampoo. I started it eventually take 1.5 months to get rid of my dandruff wala. And after that there was no dandruff at all till now date. I did not face any dandruff problem. But I am using shampoo continuously like it was like there in my kit. So I am
Wonderful.
using it.
वंडरफुल.
So
सो रुशल, एक क्वेश्चन. टोटल आपको कितने मंथ्स यूज करना पड़ा ट्रीटमेंट टू सी रिजल्ट्स?
1.5 months to remove dandruff part.
Okay.
And after dandruff remove 1.5 months, within a 15 or 20 days, my hair growth was started.
Oh, wonderful. And till now, how many months have you used the treatment?
This is my sixth kid, so this is 6 months is going on.
Okay, okay. Great. So,
Uh,
Rushal, what do you do to stick to the program, stick to the treatment, to not miss out on your medicines? Is there any secret, or what is it?
like it
So
is
this will help our other customers
like
to.
I'm a gym guy, so I know that if you want result, you need to be consistent or stick to the process to get the results. So like if I'm starting this, so I should give 100%. So then only I can get the results. So I think I should get my medicines on the time like morning, evening, that minoxidil should be applied. Oil should be twice a week. Hair shampoo should be thrice a week. So then only I can get result. And Ritu was always there, like she was always following up and asking me, you are taking this, you are eating this, you are like yeah, ma'am, I am on high protein diet. I am canceling my lactose. I am canceling my wheat
Wonderful,
product.
wonderful.
Like I am catching up 80 to 90% of diet that you are suggested to me.
So, Rushal, when you moved to Traya diet, were there any
Yeah.
other changes that you experienced? Did you feel lighter? Is there
Like
anything?
energy level is increased. I can say energy level is increased basically. So like my daily we get too tired in the evening mostly. So like that was the input. That was the main part with fire. And I can say um, like glow the skin because of the vitamins we are eating. That glow or skin also improves. That these are the extra benefits that I get apart from hair fall treatment. So that
Wonderful.
was the one thing.
Wonderful. And what about your hair growth results? How has that
Hair
been?
Like I have, if you see my treatment, it is like stage 2 was there, and it was starting off at stage 2, so which was suggested by me. So it was like we have to stop that. So with dandruff removal, my hair fall has stopped. So I had a patches over there. So after applying minoxidil and that our medicines which are prescribed to me by the doctors, so I was taking it. Then there was slight hair growth was appearing at a certain, and now that patch was there. There's one small patch was left, everything else is covered up with the hairs. So like hair thickness is improved, hair density is improved, and patches was getting covered up. So that was overall that my scene. Then like it's just a 6 feet. This is my last tip. Like we have to stop it at some point,
Correct.
and we have to shift into minoxidil. Like body
Correct.
needs to
So
get
now,
it as
after
them
6
to.
months, since we have recovered your hair regrowth, we will move you to the maintenance plan. So now you don't have to use everything. You just have to use one or two things to maintain the regrowth that we have done. Because the type of hair loss that you have is male pattern hair loss. So that is like a
Yeah.
lifelong genetic
Yeah.
issue. And when it is genetic, you need to maintain it. Otherwise, we don't want. We want to basically sustain the amazing hair you have for the longest period of time.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
why.
So, so so that was the case. Like I'm like it is at a level of fully covering up.
Yes, absolutely. Great. So, Rushal, what would you recommend to people who are still confused whether to go ahead and start Traya? They are exploring. So, what would you want to tell them?
Like it is like firstly you need to, before starting anything you need to search about it, like it is like proper or it should not have side effects. Like but after you are like start decided to enroll in it, so you have to give your 100% in it. If you choosing it, then only you can get it. Like people want result in 15 days, 20 days, it is not possible at any point of time. You need time to get the result out. Like टाइम नहीं दोगे रिजल्ट कैसे आएगा, यही वाला बात है.
सही
तो
है.
वही तो उसके लिए आपको अपना एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा, आपको अपने साइड 100% देना पड़ेगा. ट्राई की टीम तो अपने साइड 100% तो देती ही है. Like always follow ups and all things are there. Like you will be not think like I got the kit, I am using it, I am not having it. It is like personal trainer like thing. It is there with the try, like always there for us. Like we can get a call, we can get, if we want any query, we can get in touch with them and they can suggest you what to do, what not to do. So that was the thing. Like if you want to, if you are ready to give 100%, then go to the product and then you will surely get a result. I am saying that to people who are not sure about. You should give your, like the trial treatment is like if they will take your pictures and they will suggest if it is recoverable or not at the start only. So it is not like यार मेरे को तो बोला था पहले कि हो जाएगा अभी नहीं हो रहा. ऐसा कुछ. They will be starting at this is your stage 2 or stage 1 hair fall, and then it will be get cured if you follow this process. This is the way. It is like clear picture is there in front of us. Like you will get this in this time, you will get the result. You just have to stick to the plan which we are providing. So that if you are ready to follow it, then go for a try, I can say.
Great, Rushal. Superb. Thank you so much. I think that will
Yeah.
be very useful. Is there any other feedback you have for Ritu or for the team के कुछ भी feedback you feel हम लोग कुछ better कर सकते हैं तो please बताइए.
Like it was, I am expecting 110% currently. Like you are giving it to me. I was not expecting that much of personal touch from the team. So like it is going very well. Like I am getting call in each 10 or 15 days or before that span only from Vito always. Like this is going, how your treatment going on. Then I don't think so there is any need to improve such thing. Like it is like if it's going to, if it reaches to maximum people, it can get benefited. I can say
Thanks,
that.
Rushal, and you are really helping us reach that dream. So thank you so much. और कुछ भी
Yeah.
कभी भी if you need, please let us know. You can write to me at
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
customercare@thraya.health. That email comes directly
Yeah.
to me, and
Yeah, ma'am.
I'll be there to answer that. And कुछ भी आपको बाद में कुछ ideas आए, any feedback points or ideas for the
Yeah.
company, please share.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you for such a great product.
Thanks, Rushal. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.